Welcome back to NC Sketch Portraits. In today's video, we'll be drawing Rihanna's portrait using the Loomis method. A perfect way to understand head proportions and facial structure, especially for beginners. Let's get started. We start with a simple circle. This represents the skull. This circle is meant to be as round as possible, preferably a square and then rounded back. Then I draw a vertical center line. This tells us which direction the head is facing. Rihanna is looking slightly to the left, so this line is at 3/4. We estimate the horizontal line of the character's eyes, which is the line that divides the mid-axis into two equal parts. I use a pencil as a ruler. When practicing, you should also use it. It is very useful for our measurements. Next, I draw two ovals on both sides as in the previous tutorials. Draw two straight lines to define the boundary ear line. This is the position of the leg's hair. From the hairline to the chin, we divide it into three equal parts. I will do the three-part division equal on the axis of the face to determine the position of the parts of her face. Next, I draw the eyebrow line horizontally and lower the jaw with simple measurements. The mouth position is in the upper 1/3 of this section, from the base of the nose to the chin. Draw two straight lines on both sides to determine the length of her. Draw two straight lines on both sides to determine the length of her neck. Loomis helps us to build a 3D head, even from a photo. We determine the width of the base of the nose to make the ratio of the width of the two eyes. A perfect way to understand head proportions and facial structure. Use a pencil as a guide to determine the positions of the eyes, especially for beginners. To find the nose, I measured from the eyebrows down about 1/3 of the way down the face. A perfect Rihanna has a straight nose bridge and a slim tip. Way to understand head proportions and facial structure, especially for beginners. Note how the nostrils line up with the corners of the eyes. Start with a light color, then deepen it with a darker eyeliner pencil. Her eyebrows are thick and arched. That's part of what makes her so recognizable. Now let's place the eyes. In Loomis, the eyes are in the middle of the head. A perfect Rihanna's eyes are almond-shaped with a strong, confident gaze. CT way to understand head proportions and facial structure, especially for beginners. I started with soft, slanted lines, then added more depth once I was sure of the placement. Now draw the lips. I divided the lower part of the face into thirds. Rihanna's upper lip is a soft M shape, a very subtle Cupid's bow. The lower lip is full and relaxed, giving her a calm look. Pay attention to the spacing. The mouth is in the middle of the nose. Let's define the face shape. Rihanna has a smooth jawline and prominent cheekbones. Her short hair frames her face, with soft bangs that fall over her forehead. Now sketch the hair shape. Her hair is quite dramatic, starting high at the forehead and sweeping down to her waist. And there we have it, a pencil portrait of Rihanna, built using the Loomis method. Try using this method on any face you like. It's a powerful tool for understanding structure and improving portrait beauty. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which celebrity you want to see next.